हेलो एवरीवन। आज से हम एक नया सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। इन इन दैट सीरीज आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व वेरिलॉग HDL questions. So there is a one website HDLBits. In that there are so many questions and along with theory explanation. So I will cover that little bit theory and these questions. So first we need to create our profile here. So I have a ID, so I'm going to just log in. Now go to the problem set and browse problem set. So here you can go to the getting started. So this is the little bit theory about this Verilog HDL. What is this Verilog HDL? It is mentioned here. And uh, how to write code, compilation, simulation, in final status. All these things is mentioned here. So this is our first question. It is very easy question. So let's read this. Build a circuit with no inputs and one output. That output should always drive 1 or logic high. So let's move how to solve this question. So here you can write your code, write your solution here. So already predefined module is given and there are no inputs, only one output is there. So what we need at output side, we need to drive 1 or logic high. So what we can write here, assign 1 is the output, this 1 is the output. Okay, so what we can write here, 1 tick tick be 1. Okay, so what is going on here, at output we are giving 1 means logic high. Now let's submit this one. Okay, so it will show our compilation and simulation message, it will show here. Okay, if something errors will come while compiling or simulating, then it will show here, you can read it. So this program is successfully completed, so it is showing status success. And to check your progress, we can click it here, see my progress. Here you can find out your rank as well. So our current rank is 60,202. We solved only one question successfully, so our success rate is 100%. Now let's move to the next question. Next, so in this question what they are asking, build a circuit with no inputs and one output, that output a constant 0. So at output what we need to do, we need to assign 0. Okay, so here see, in this module we can write like module and this is module name, and 0 is the other this is the output right here. Some if there are inputs, then we can write it here, uh, input as well. So here just they mention name and here they declare it is output or input. Okay, we can follow this method or else we can follow this method as well. Here module and module name and output 0, directly it is mentioned here, declare its output. Okay, so both, in both way we can write. So in this question we need to assign output 0. Okay, so already module has given and output is 0, there is no input, so we need to write here assign 0 equal to 1 tick be 0. It's a 1 bit result, so that's why we are writing 1. one tick B. Here B represent binary, one bit binary number. Okay, so that's why we wrote like this. So this is the our code. Then end module. Now submit. So here you can see status success. Okay, and here what is our what we wrote and what is the reference. Both it will check, and if there is any mismatch, then it will show here after simulation. So here also you can analyze your result. Now let's check rank. So this is the second problem. Till now we solved two problems and our rank is updated 57,405 and success rate is 100%. Similarly, we are going to solve other questions. Okay, so here we started. Now next is Verilog. Those two questions are very basic questions. Next we will start from the basic Verilog to the advanced one. So we will meet again in the next video. Thank you.